So we got a 2017 Toyota Corolla key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. It's really simple. You are going to need a flathead screwdriver, a pretty small one. Alright, so right here on the left bottom side of the key fob there's a little slot. We're going to use that to open it up. Alright, pretty much the screwdriver just needs to be that big. We're going to stick it in here and I'm going to give it a twist. When you twist it, it kind of cracks it open, and then we're going to just help it out by opening it. Now what we want to do at this point, we want to turn this guy upside down like this, because these buttons will become loose and they can fall out. All right, and if you're in the car like me, you don't want them falling down in between the console and the seat. So we're going to take the back cover off like that, and then we can take this piece out. All right, and like these pieces here, they can just come out, fall everywhere. So we want to put that off to the side, and this is what we're looking at here. All right, so we're going to open this guy up, and it has all these little tabs on the sides here, these little locking tabs. So we're going to go after the side ones first, and we don't want to break them. We just want to put the screwdriver in and pry up a little bit, loosen everything up. What I'm doing is I'm kind of prying it a little bit, and I'm squeezing it to hold it open. Okay, you're going to have to go around maybe a couple times to make this work. All right, and loosen all these up to get this open. And it would probably help you if you had two screwdrivers. If you left one in this side here. All right. So you just need to work it pretty much without locking the side you just unlocked. All right, there we go. And then you can take the cover off, and here's the battery. Get my screwdriver here and just pry the battery out, and I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is going to be a CR 2016, positive sign facing out towards us, and it goes in just like this. Okay, you see these little contact right here. It's going to slide into the contact first, and then you just clip it in. All right, so if you need one of these batteries, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box. Where I'll take you to Amazon, where you can pick up one of these batteries for like $1.25. I'm also going to have the size written down there too, so if you need that, you just get the cover and line it up, snap it on. Okay, this is the side with the buttons here. It's going to go back into the remote. It's going to be careful not to spill this. Only goes one way, then you get the back cover and snap it back on. Okay, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you leave me a comment or hit that like button for me, and I hope to see you again in another video.